Okay everybody, I'm back with another review. Today I have the Glock 30 Gen 4 chambered in 45 ACP. Check, the gun is unloaded, nothing in the chamber. I'd like to thank Derek M for letting me borrow his Glock for today's review, and it's a pretty nice Glock. It is a little beefy, robust for my taste. Does fit good in the hands. It's a good home defense weapon. Let's start off with the sights. Standard Glock sights, which is the first thing I would change out. Got the big bore barrel, rear cocking serrations, polymer frame. Does have stippling, not too bad, not too rough. Finger grooves, little serration up front. Trigger, 5.5 pound trigger. Let's see what else it has. The length, it's about 6.8 inches. The height, 4.8 inches. Unloaded, it's about 26.3 ounces. Loaded, it's 33.7 ounces. This one has 3 10-round mags, double stack. Lock it to the rear. It's a good weapon. A little too big for my taste, but he has large hands, so he likes it. Now let's take the gun apart. I'm gonna try to do this with the camera. Weapon's clear. Pull the trigger, safe direction. Pull the little tabs back. Try to stay in the shot. Pull it down. Slide the frame right off. There you go. Polymer. Captured spring, recoil spring, and the barrel, and the frame. That's all you do just to take it apart. To reassemble, pull in the barrel. Just reverse the order. Barrel back. Get your recoil spring. Set it in place. There we go. Slide it on the rails. Slide it back. And that's it. Back in business. Back in the fight. So please like and share and subscribe. More videos to come.